Hello everyone, today in this video I will tell you how to blur video in Wondershare Filmora. I have Filmora latest version, open the software and I have this clip. I want to blur this clip. So I will go to effect option and this is the video effect. This is the basic and this is the option of blur. Simply drag this blur and paste here. You will see this. You can also increase it. Now the video is completely blurred. Check this. The video is blurred. It is very easy to blur the video. Here is before and here is after. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.